Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, nice to meet you again. Now, let's talk about the present perfect part 2. Part 2 is to talk about the repetition of an action. Present perfect can be used to show an action of repetition. Here, we can see that part 2, repetition. When you want to show an action and it is the repetition of an action, you can use the present perfect. And again, we still remember that the present perfect do not need the exact time. Do not need the exact time. The present perfect is to show an action happened before now, before at the time of speaking, at an unspecified time in the past. Unspecified time in the past. And the present perfect only focuses on the result. Here, the result, not about the time. When we want to tell an action about the exact time in the past, we can use past tense, not present perfect. In Indonesian language, Indonesian situation, present perfect and past tense is similar. They are the same. But in English language, they are completely different. Present perfect is to show an action happened before now at an unspecified time in the past. But past tense is used to show an action already happened in the past and at the time of speaking, the action already stopped. The action is not in progress anymore. Okay. Now let's see the example. I have called her several times. Several times is the action of the repetition, okay? To show the action of the repetition. Called. How many times you called her? Several times. How many times you called her? Several times. So it is the repetition. And number 2 is they have got the test 3 times this semester. So how many times? 3 times. The students have got the test 3 times this semester. Here again, to show the repetition. How to form the sentence? To form the sentence of the present perfect, you can see part 1. The video, part 1 about the present perfect. How to form the sentence of the present perfect. Let's see here, when you want to make the negative sentence for present perfect, which is, shows the repetition, you can say, I have not called her. I have not called her several times. Several times. And number 2, they have not, or they haven't got the test 3 times this semester. Okay, this semester. And interrogative sentence, the questions you put here have to the front. So like this, have they? Okay. Have they got the test 3 times this semester? Okay, so this is the way how to form the present perfect to show the repetition. And the third function of the present perfect is to show an action which has a duration, okay, duration. And I will tell you later on part 3. Don't worry, I'll be with you to tell the present perfect. Okay, see you again next time. Bye.